did.
Give those to.
But I was still really quick, huh?
Fuck no.
That's pretty quick for getting pizza and bolts. Less than 30 minutes. That was 15.
Don't give me that 30 minutes shit.
That was 15.
That was 3 beers ago. So probably like 10 minutes ago.
You tell your grandma
He loves it.
that she's not your boss. I'm the fucking boss.
You're just like,
Hey, where does Nathan work
your
at?
I
dad.
don't think that's gonna go over very
Nathan?
well.
Right now he's
Grandma
going
might
to work
give me
for,
pow-pow.
Okay,
He's
tell them to
trained to
get
be
to
a
work. They got the
heavy
fucking
operator.
law.
Really?
Yeah.
The boss.
Tell them
You
they're not
just said they're
Hey.
good workers.
I'm the boss. Underlay on them fucking
Underlay.
bolts.
There you go. Union breaks over.
Papito.